welcome to Legal Era Conclave in Mumbai, and we have with us Mr. Rajesh Narayan Gupta. He is the managing partner of SNG and Partners. We'll talk to him about succession and family businesses. Sir, one of the issues, what are some of the issues that you think that really come during your own interaction with clients when it comes to succession planning? What are the key problems that the families are facing where your role becomes even more important?
You see, in our experience, there are three kind of families who are coming and approaching us. One family will say are the small middle class families who just want to do their vanilla succession planning. That is, the estate will go to the wife and followed by kids, and the wife predeceases, it will go only the kids, this, that, and the other. The second is the upper middle class who are coming with the requirements in the nature of will as well as private trust. The nature to do private trust is that they wish to make sure that there is some asset protection in the event of the business is going wrong. And the third category is the most prominent category, which is multiplying, is the SMEs, the small medium enterprises, who have the desire to either get listed or they have the desire to get private equity. So they require a mix of business succession planning as well as the succession planning. And there the structure is at times a little more complicated with a holding company and with a trust structure. And the last, which will not require mention, is the very, very wealthy families who generally are already with family offices.
And what about you mentioned about small and medium enterprises becoming now very active. So do you see a very strong potential of them having the need to understand the succession planning?
Absolutely, because the businesses from one generation to the other, when they continue, if the business succession planning is not done, then the second or third generation will lose all what they have created. And there are several examples of this effect. But if a proper succession business planning is done, then for generations the wealth is protected, the business is protected.